Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Everything Essential, and this is a sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so this is our last video with Everything Essential, and we're going to be using the Joy to the World little Christmas tree. And I have our stamp mounted on clear block C. And then I'm going to come in with my Mossy Meadow. And I have a piece of Whisper White. So just like that. Looks like I need to add some more ink. Okay, and let's see. Come in with a glue dot, and I'm going to hold my little paper here. So just like that. And then I'll take the end off there. I'm going to bring back my punch, and I have a piece of the foil sheet. I'm just going to punch that here in the middle, just like that. And then I also have the green foil, because I was noticing I hadn't really used a green on anything. I've used red. So I'm going to come in with my Christmas tree punch. All right, so now we can start putting this card together. And I have Warm Hugs, I believe, is the designer series paper, and it's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I'm just going to adhere some snail down. And we'll put it on the back here of our foil sheet, and that is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, and then I'm going to come in with my diagonal stripe Mossy Meadow ribbon. And I think I might put 2 pieces on that. We'll see. I'm going to go ahead and tape this down in the back. All right, so what I was planning on doing is kind of putting that. So let's see. Maybe I'll do that. All right, so let's go ahead and use this, and it'll be kind of like a Christmas present. All right, and then we'll put some Stampin' Seal down here. And our card base is Mossy Meadow, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, so let's see. I want to do it like that. So if I do that, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pop this guy up. And I'm just going to come in with some glue dots here. So just like that, and then I'm going to pop up my Christmas tree. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!